Hello everyone.
Today we are discussing Model 2 of Model Question Paper Civil Engineering. I discussed Model 1 in previous video. Today we will discuss Model 2 of Model Question Paper 3A, 3B, 3C, 4th A, 4th B, 4th C, In upcoming video we will discuss Model 3, Model 4, Model 5.
You can take screenshot. 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 You can take screenshot.
Still scrolling? No real skills? Meet Talent Connect. This is Talent Connect. Learn new skills, do real work, and get paid. Join the platform today and start earning. Real work, real learning. Learn, work, earn. Link in bio.